Hi guys, I'm Allison from Youcook. Today I have a very quick, healthy, and easy recipe: air fried chicken wings. Everyone makes it a little bit different. If you want to see how I prepare this recipe, stay with me. We're gonna get to it right now. If you have time, go to the grocery and pick up 2 trays of chicken wings. You can use the entire wings or you can use the short section of the wings. That's fine as well. The air fryer comes in handy. It cooks really fast and it's a lot healthier than deep frying. I'm cooking 2 batches of chicken wings. The first batch air fry takes about 20 minutes, and then the second one is another 20 minutes. But I don't have to stand and cook. I just kind of dumped everything in the air fryer, walk away and do other stuff and come back. After 20 minutes, the chicken wings are cooked evenly and the skin is very crispy. So I just set them aside and let it rest. My experience with cooking is that it's always good to prepare sauce on the side because the sauce isn't contaminated with the meat, and then you can actually taste the sauce to see if it's salty enough or sweet enough to your liking, and then you can adjust from there. So here I am preparing my sauce. 2 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, turmeric salt, half a tablespoon, add small color to my wings. Also half a tablespoon of cornstarch, which I forgot to record. Gonna add in 3 tablespoons of sugar to balance the saltiness. Then give it a good mix. Notice how beautiful the color is showing right now. That's gonna show on your wings. The most important ingredients for this recipe is the hot chili oil. I'm using this particular brand, adding in about 1 tablespoon of hot chili oil. This is what I'm referring to preparing the sauce separately so you can make adjustment. But my sauce is perfect, sweet enough and salty enough. Once again, I'm trying to make things easier for my subscribers. So I list out all the ingredients and the portions, so you may want to take a screenshot of this one. That way it's easier for you to follow my recipe, and as long as you have all these ingredients, you are ready to make this recipe. Now I'm just going to prepare 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. You can use a ready-made one or you can mince it yourself, and then add to it is a 1/4 cup of raw pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds itself has a very mild in flavor, but when I stir fry it with garlic, it gives a very crispy and chewy texture, which I like to add to my wings. It also has a nutty flavor, so that's what I like about it. But this is optional. If you don't like it, you don't need to add this. Just use minced garlic itself. Hey, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video right now and you find this recipe useful for your daily meal, do me a big favor, hit that button, subscribe, so you can be notified every time I have a new video coming out. Thank you for your support. Best if you can use a non-stick pan to prepare this recipe so it doesn't stick to the pan, and then you're gonna take some time to wash it. I like non-stick ones because it's easy for me to clean up afterward. Add in about 1 tablespoon of oil, and then add in garlic and pumpkin seeds and cook until they turn nicely golden brown. Then add in the sauce. Look how beautiful it is right now. And what's next? Add in your wings. give it a good mix. Then you have a beautiful wings recipe. So what do you think? Is it quick to prepare this recipe? And is it more healthy because you're not deep frying it? This is another way to prepare the wings using air fryer. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the button again. Subscribe. Hey, I just finished preparing this recipe. Maybe you can give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your patience. Until then, take care. Bye now.